Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Buying by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
How are you?
I love your creativity.
Thank you. You guys, hey y'all. I need a new wig head, so don't even watch that. She's been through a lot. But speaking of going through a lot, you guys can't even see it because the camera doesn't even pick it up. The back of this hair is purple, and the theme of this video was gonna be like, you know, like a little purple peekaboo. Like I have my purple nails, I have my lavender nails, and you guys saw parts of me doing that. And then the back of this wig, so I bleached it. It didn't lift all the way to like the lightest color that I needed it to lift to, so I bleached it again. Once I bleached it again, I used Adore Lavender and I did the watercolor method, and it didn't really take. So I did the watercolor method again with another bottle of lavender. It did not take again. And some pieces were lavender and other pieces were still brown. It was still like not what I needed it to be. So I ended up getting, it's actually by Got To Be. It's called the Color Pop like hair mask, and it has color in it. So I used the violet color. I put it on the hair. Yeah, y'all can't see it for real. In real life, it does show up a little bit more than it does on camera. But yeah, guys, I feel like you can kind of see it, but it's not that pronounced. So this was low-key kind of a fail, but at the end of the day, it's gonna get put in my head because I've gone through too much with this wig. So we're gonna go ahead and install. But I saw this little hack. I think I seen it on TikTok where this girl put some foundation and alcohol in a spray bottle and made her own lace tint. And I really wanted to try that because I feel like putting foundation on the lace kind of, it makes my installs last shorter. Like I feel like it's compromising the longevity of my installs. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna try it out and see what it's hitting for. You guys know I use my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Kampala 340. I've used it to the damn last drop. So I'm gonna try to get the rest of it out into a little spray bottle, and I'm gonna put some alcohol, this is 70%. I'm gonna pour some into a little spray bottle. All right, you guys, so I have my empty spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and open this foundation up. I'm about to have to do that thing. You know how like when you down to the last little drop of toothpaste, but you still haven't gone to the store to get some more, and you gotta like roll it up? That's exactly what I'm about to do. All right, you guys, so that's about how much foundation that I put in there, and I'm gonna pour in alcohol. I'm gonna last? I feel like this is gonna last me a long time. What y'all think? All right, you guys, so my lace tint is made. I'm gonna spray on the lace and see. The lace is obviously clean. I'm about to go in and spray. I'm trying to hold it up so you guys can see. Y'all, just spray it on the lace. I'm gonna go in with some alcohol and skin protector just to clean up, and then we're gonna get into the install. I'm excited, guys. Like, really. Even though the color didn't turn out how I wanted to, I am excited. Because this has been a video idea for a minute, and I'm excited to finally just go ahead and do it. So we're gonna be using my 1022 Beauty and Beyond glue. This glue is my holy grail. I've been using it for some months now, and I am so excited for you guys to try it. I love this glue, so I want to see what you guys think, but I'm gonna go in with that. We're gonna do 3 layers of that, but I think I'm only gonna show 1 layer. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna show you guys the very last layer. Just make sure that your layers are clear, dry it down clear in between before you move on to the next layer. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the first 2 layers off camera. I'll show you guys the last one, and then we'll get into finishing up the style. But before we do the layers, y'all, look at this lace tint. Like, yeah.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag now. I'm rocking name brand.
Everything is down. I'm gonna pull out my baby hair, and then we're going to melt down. Y'all know the deal. Put the glue, put the lace, we pull out our baby hairs, we put our spray, our melting spray, our whatever you want to use. You can use Got2b. I like to use, some of my faves are the olive oil ORS, Berry Tea. Another very great one that's pretty much slept on is the Tresemme. Love that. What else? But last time I did my hair, I used some Pump It Up spray, and the hold was everything, but it wasn't like too like crunchy on the edges. It didn't leave that much residue, and my edges wasn't hard after I sprayed. So I think I'm gonna use my Pump It Up spray today. But yeah, guys, you know the deal. We're pulling out our baby hair. I'm gonna have to cut some new baby hair because it's barely any on here, and the way that I did it before, I feel like was back in my shorter baby hair era, and I'm in my big baby hair era, big B's. So we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm gonna pull that out, we're gonna spray it down, tie it down, and then we'll start the edges.
Oh yeah. They gotta be open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend and make USDON. I get too crazy, had a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again.
Raven. I'm filming a video.
Oh, shoot.
You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post so baby, Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you what I know, you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just hit the city with the G-block stainers. And we got adopted by some for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, we're done. Honestly, this hair color was a fail. I'll bring more of it so you can see. Like you can barely even see that it's purple. In real life, I feel like you can see it a bit more. Let me see in my mirror. Well, not really, honestly. You can kind of see it. I got a spritz of the Pump It Up spray on my shirt, so just disregard that. But you can kind of see it. It's like an eggplant kind of color. I think this would be a cool like color to do like for the whole head, like an eggplant. Very subtle purple. But because it's only at the bottom, it's like you can really barely see it. So, I don't know. I tried. I tried. Your girl tried to do what your girl tried to do. But at the end of the day, I feel like we got a cute little middle part bust now. I mean, that's always cute. I straightened the hair when it was on the wig head. So it's already straight and I'm not straightening it again because I don't feel like it. So there's that. I tucked it behind my ears and it's just giving a little middle part bust now. So that's what it's really giving. Yeah, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I want to start doing like little color themes like with my nails in here, like give y'all a little tea, something cute. So if you guys like this video, let me know. Don't forget to like this video. And yeah, guys, I'm disappointed, but I let the hair defeat me, honestly, because I was not about to keep battling the hair, trying to lift it and do this and do that. Like, I've spent hours on hours working on this wig, trying to get it to like a lavender pop of color, and it just didn't want to go. It didn't want to go, and I'm not about to force nobody to do nothing that they do not want to do. So the hair did not want to lift, and the hair did not want to be lavender, and I let it be. Nevertheless, the hair is really pretty. I don't remember what company this hair is from. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys made it to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this video. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see anything else. If you guys have any ideas of things that you want me to do, let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next one.